हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, महादेव हर। हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल योगीराज योगी ऑफिशियल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो आइए आज हम देखते हैं स्टैंडर्ड 7 का सोशल साइंस सब्जेक्ट का पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट टेस्ट सॉल्यूशन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऑप्शंस। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है विच किंग ऑफ पल्लवा डायनेस्टी इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ पावरफुल किंग। आंसर आएगा डी महेंद्र वर्मा। सेकंड वन इज वो वॉज द फर्स्ट पावरफुल रूलर ऑफ चेरा स्टेट। आंसर आएगा डी एंथन वन। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन 1B राइट शॉर्ट नोट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द medieval Rajput men and women. The Rajput race is a very heroic race. From birth they devoted their lives to the sanctuary. If necessary, they were willing to accept death for the country, but they did not suffer any loss of the country. They were not afraid of birth. They fought like heroes until their last breath. In any battle, their religion was to respect women and give shelter to homeless. And the Rajput women, on the other hand, were known for their chastity and fearlessness. After all, everything was worthless to them before the motherland. Rajputanas are used to say goodbye to their fathers, brothers, and husbands during the war to save the motherland. Even if there was shortage of death of soldier on the battlefield, they would land themselves. After then, question 2A, answer the questions, draw a circle and draw latitudes on it. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ये नॉर्थ पोल है, साउथ पोल है और बाकी की सब लेटिट्यूड्स आप यहाँ पे वीडियो पॉज करके ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। आफ्टर देन क्वेश्चन 2, विच इज द इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन। द इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन सर्व्स एज द लाइन ऑफ midration between two consecutive calendar dates. The international date line established in 1884 passes through the mid-Pacific Ocean and roughly follows a 180 degrees longitude north-south line on the earth. Question 2B options. First question is which is the biggest clock of the world? Answer आएगा B sun. How many longitudes are there? Then answer आएगा C 360. Third question is through which city does our standard meridian pass? Answer आएगा C Allahabad. Question 3A answer the questions in brief. First question है what is the speciality of the Sun Temple of Modhera? The temple complex is built in Maru Gujarat style. The temple complex has 3 axially aligned components: the shrine proper, Garbhagriha in a hall, the outer and assembly hall, and a sacred reservoir. The Sabha Mandapa is not in continuation with Gudha Mandapa but is placed a little away as a separated structure. Both are built on a paved platform. Their roofs have collapsed long ago, leaving behind a few lowermost courses. Both roofs is 9 in diameter but are constructed differently. The platform or plinth is inverted lotus shaped. Second question is who established the slave dynasty in Delhi? The Qutab al-Din Aibak established the slave dynasty in Delhi. Third question is which famous sculpture is there in the Elephanta Caves? Sadashiva Trimurti sculpture is there in the Elephanta Caves. Question third B match the pairs correctly. तो ए में आपको दिया गया है कलहर, माघ, श्री हर्ष और फोर्थ वन इज चांद बरदाई। तो देखते हैं क्या आता है। तो एक कलहर उसमें आएगा डी राजतरंगिनी। उसके बाद दूसरा है माघ, उसमें आएगा सी शिशुपाल वधा। और थर्ड है श्रीहर्ष, उसमें आएगा बी नैषधा चरित्र। उसके बाद फोर्थ चांद बरदाई, उसमें आएगा ए पृथ्वीराज राशो। Question 4A answer the questions. First question is how many states and union territories are there in India? In India there are 28 states and 9 union territories. Second question is which is the tallest peak of India? What is its height? The Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain peak in India and ranked third highest summit in the world with an elevation of 8,586 meter. Third question is, what is an island? It is a piece of land that is surrounded by water. An island is a body of land surrounded by water. Continents are also surrounded by water, but because they are so big. Question 4b, write short note. First one is the Rajasthan Desert. The western part of the Great Plain of India consists of the Thar or the Great Indian Desert, which covers western Rajasthan. The desert is about 650 miles long and 250 to 300 km wide. Its total area is about 1.75 lakh 59 km. About two-thirds of the Indian desert lies in Rajasthan, west of the Aravalli range, and the remaining one-third is in the neighboring states of Haryana, Punjab and Gujarat. The vast desert is an undulating plain whose average elevation is about 325 meters above mean sea level. Question 5, options. First question is, which city is located on the bank of Yamuna river? Answer आएगा C, Agra. Second question, how long is the Indian Sea coast? Answer आएगा B, 7,517 km. Third question is, what is the total land area of India? Answer आएगा A, 32,87,263 square kilometer. Fourth question is, which tropic passes almost through the middle of India? Answer आएगा B, Tropic of Cancer. Fifth and the last question is, which of the following part is located on the eastern coast of India? Answer आएगा C, Visakhapatnam. So we hope you have understood the information we have provided. Thank you.